For new videos, please subscribe now and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create and use avatars in WhatsApp. So let's get started. Open WhatsApp, then tap on three dots which is on top right corner, then click on settings. As you can see an avatar option, click on it, then tap on create avatar. We can say more with avatars now on WhatsApp, like personalize your avatar's appearance, share how you feel with avatar stickers, set your avatar as your profile photo, then click on get started. Here you can choose any skin tone for your avatar, and then click next. You can change your hairstyle, hair color, outfits, body. You can also change eye shape, eye color, and you can also use eye makeup. We can also change eyebrows, eyebrow color, etc. In this way, you can personalize your avatar. Then click on Done and click on Save Changes. Your avatar is being updated. Click Next. You can also create a profile photo using this avatar. Select any background color which you like and select an avatar. Then click on Done. Your profile photo is being updated. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.